In this video, we're diving into the world of regular expressions to understand how to use word boundaries, represented by \b. Word boundaries are a powerful tool for finding whole words within a larger text. Let's explore how they work. So, what exactly is a word boundary? A word boundary, denoted by \b in regular expressions, represents a position that separates a word character from a non-word character. It can also mark the beginning or the end of a string. Think of it as an anchor that ensures you're matching the complete word, and not just part of it. To understand word boundaries better, let's clarify the difference between word and non-word characters. Word characters, represented by \w in regular expressions, include uppercase A to uppercase Z, lowercase a to lowercase z, digits 0 to 9, and the underscore character. Anything that's not a word character is considered a non-word character. This includes spaces, punctuation marks, special symbols, and so on. Let's look at a basic example to illustrate how word boundaries work. Imagine you want to find the word cat in a text. Using the regular expression \b cat \b, you're telling the engine to find cat only when it appears as a complete word. This means it will match cat, but not catalog or tomcat. Here's a Python example to show word boundaries in action. First, we import the re module. Then we define a text string that says, I have a cat in a catalog. We define a pattern using a raw string or \b cat \b. Finally, we use re.findall to find all occurrences of the pattern in the text. The output will be a list containing only cat, because catalog is not matched due to the word boundary. Let's see what happens if we don't use word boundaries. We import the re module. Then we define a text string that says, I have a cat in a catalog. This time, the pattern is simply cat, without any word boundaries. When we run re.findall, the output is a list containing cat twice, because it finds cat, both as a standalone word and as part of the word catalog. This demonstrates the importance of using word boundaries when you need to match whole words only. Word boundaries are useful in many scenarios. One common use case is to find exact words in a text. For example, \b the \b matches the word the but not there or them. Another use case is for word replacement. If you want to replace only standalone occurrences of a word, such as is, you can use \b as \b to ensure you're not modifying words like this or his. To summarize, \b ensures exact word matches, preventing partial matches within other words. Always use word boundaries to avoid accidentally matching substrings within larger words when you're looking for complete words. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.